So we decided to go to Kakuonji. So we are here. If we go a little bit further, I think maybe over there will be the beginning of the hiking course. So from here to where we are going, we're going to go to... Where are we going to go? We're going to go to Hansobu. So Hansobo is a really nice little temple, but it doesn't give me approximation time from there to Hansobo. Oh well. But so we're going to go from here instead and go up this way. So from here to here, or from here to here, it's about 25 minutes, and then from here to here, probably another 25 minutes. So it's not too bad. So I suppose we will just go that way. That is the way to the trail. Maybe. I don't know. We'll go that way and go around here about an hour to get to Hansobo. And I will take some pictures at Hansobo. And then we'll go on to... Oop, I just dropped my camera bag. Then we'll go on to Kinchoji. So we will go ahead and get moving more soon. I thought I'd go ahead and get some footage on my favorite hiking course, the 10N hiking course. So I'm gonna just not talk, just walk and let you hear the sounds of this area while I'm hiking and see the sights. This part of 10N I've actually never been on. I've been on the part closer to Kinchoji and Hansobo. I've been on that part multiple times, but I've never been on this part. I've always gotten lost between there and here. But the course it's really not hard course at all. So I would definitely recommend it to anybody who likes hiking or likes getting out of the city every now and then, because living around Tokyo can be rather overwhelming when you have to be in the city all the time. So it's always nice to be able to get out and hear the birds. When I pause, that's pause for picture time, so you'll have to forgive me. those signs look scary. I don't know what they say. Hiking course, something, Deno, something, Hayamema. I have no idea what that says. I wonder if it's scary and if we should continue. Well, we'll continue anyway. Last time I saw a really scary sign, it was near my house, and it was on a kind of a course like this, but it was a lot more, like the path was paved, and I saw a sign, and it was written all in Japanese, and had big red exclamation marks, and I was like, scary. It meant, please preserve the forest so we can all enjoy the fireflies together. Yeah, that was when I first moved here. It was really funny. But anyway, so as I was saying, on this course on the weekends, there's a lot of people, and hiking in Japan is rather popular. I think I've seen tons of people hiking every time I've gone hiking, and it's kind of like boating in America. If you go boating in America and you pass by another boat, you wave to them. So hiking here is kind of the same. So if you pass by anyone, pretty much, they will say konnichiwa to you. Or they'll say, you know, if it's a thin path, they might say, "Saki ni dozo," please go ahead of me, you know. So it's actually really a friendly sport here, hiking. So I enjoy it very much. Now again, because I do take pictures so often, I very rarely go hiking with other people. I usually go hiking by myself because I take a lot of pictures, so I slow people down. So this course is an hour course. It takes 1 hour to get to where we're going. So with me and him and his camera, it will probably take us a lot longer than an hour. So we're probably not going to be able to do Daibutsu today. We'll probably come back next week and go do Daibutsu, and he's got some more souvenirs to buy, so we'll probably go by there. So this is another cool thing about this course, is there's a lot of, not a lot, probably allergies. Probably 3 or 4 of these along the way. They're little, just like little shrines or something. And if I wasn't such a chicken, I would go up there and look at them. They're up there. There's stone sculptures and everything. But if I was with somebody who was more trained than he is in hiking, then I would maybe go up and check it out. But since I'm not, yeah, you could see in there. You can see in there, there's a Buddha statue. It's really cool. And one of these along the way, there's one like this, except the scary thing is all of the heads off the Buddhas are chopped off. So it's kind of unpleasant. So that's another cool thing about this course, is all of the neat little caves and stuff you can see. And they're man-made caves, obviously. That are made for religious purposes, and they're just carved right into the side of the stone, and you could see where it was carved out, like the hammer blows. It's just amazing to me, amazing, and you never know exactly how long ago this was carved out, so it's fascinating.